Hello and welcome to Catherine's Garden. It's so good to see you, and it's so good to know that the weather is changing and yet we can come outside and enjoy this beautiful end of summer weather heading into the fall. Right now the temperature is just right. It's about 70 degrees right now outside here, and it's cool and beautiful. And so it's a good time to set the deck up for fall, and it's going to help us to appreciate this beautiful time in the fall. Hello and welcome to Catherine's Garden. I'm here sitting on my deck and I have my glass of lemon water, and I'm just enjoying the fall evening here in my urban Zone 6 garden in Boston, and the temperature is just so beautiful. I decided that I wanted to make over my deck and to create this wonderful outdoor living space. And it was recommended by Laura from Garden Answer. She gave us the challenge. She said to go on out there and decorate your porches, your decks, your outdoor spaces for the fall. Sending in a picture so that we could share the work, the beauty of our outdoor living space. And so that's exactly what I decided to do, to participate and to change my decks. I have become very inspired by Garden Answer. Laura from Garden Answer, she did a video through Proven Winners and decorating for fall, and they're going to have a contest on this, and she said you could decorate whatever you want, your deck, your front porch, whatever you need to decorate for fall. And so I've decided that I want to decorate my deck, and this is what I have. Some of my things, I have my harvest here. I put together some of my pumpkin zucchinis and my butternut squash. I have a couple of acorns. I got this sign from the dollar store. It says Happy Harvest. I went to Costco's and picked up some mums. And this painting here, I did that a while back, and I think it will help to pull everything together. And I have some pine needles and some old quilts that I had before, and we're going to see some baskets, and we're going to see what we can put together and decorate this deck for the fall. So come along with me as we work through this process. I used this harvest bulb as inspiration for the colors on the deck. And I just wanted to create little vignettes or areas of design. So I started with this corner, just placing the coneflower and the hollyhocks together. Then I moved towards the lanterns to provide light with the white. And I just love this little corner here where I could sit and look out on the deck. And of course, the table. That was so important to make sure that the colors all blended well together. And of course, to make it comfortable with the seating cushions and allowing people to really enjoy the deck area. The inspiration for my deck makeover came from 3 different sources. From Laura, Garden Answer, and she gave a fall porch makeover contest, so that she was challenging us to make over our porches and to decorate for fall. And then also Lovers for Healthy Life, Peaches, she too was working on a collaboration. It's called Tablescapes from Around the World Collab, Country English Garden Escapes, and you could take a look at her channel. And then A Beautiful Nest TV, she gave fall decorating ideas, and her name is Sandra, and hers is a DIY and decorating challenge, and that's her fall decorating ideas for 2018 fall DIY. And I will put the links in the description so that you can take a look. But this is what I came up with. My deck transformation. And my husband likes it. That makes it even better. So when you're standing on the deck, you could either sit and enjoy what's in front of you, or you can look over the rail, see the lawn and garden. My angel trumpet tree has blossomed again, looking so spectacular, along with the coleus back there. And then here you come around, and what captivates your eye is all of these summer butternut squash. And then as we move around the deck and you look out on the gardens, looking so fresh. How beautiful. Makes you want to sit down and relax. Well, here I am out here enjoying my new garden deck. Yes, finding this quite enjoyable. What a cozy spot to land. Hallelujah. For the fall. Hello and welcome to Catherine's Garden. Here is my deck fall makeover. This is the redo of the deck with fall decorations for this beautiful time of the season. I'm excited about this season, and I'm excited about this makeover. As you can see, I was able to arrange the different areas. I love this corner with the lemon tree. There's an artwork painting and a sign, Happy Harvest, that I was able to purchase from the dollar store. I brought out my lanterns so that we can get light in the evening, and the terracotta pot is filled with the harvest of pumpkins, zucchini, and butternut squash. And over here is a beautiful seating area where one can cozy up and look out in the garden. I think this is a beautiful view of the garden from here. And yet be able to see the wonderful display. I also added a quilt, so if someone is cold, they can snuggle up. And also a little heater. What's amazing about this heater is that it has a fireplace appeal. And I just put the pine needles on top to decorate it. But this is the makeover. And I can't wait to enjoy it with my family and friends. I liked what Martha Stewart used to say, that it's a beautiful thing. And it is a beautiful thing to be able to come out and enjoy one's deck, to enjoy nature, to enjoy one's garden. I think that we need to find that joy all around us, and it's right here. We don't really have far to go. We can create our own environment, create our own escape right here in our living areas, wherever we are. We can make that happen for ourselves. Well, thank you for watching. And if you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. It's really great to be able to come out and enjoy the deck and enjoy my garden makeover, my lemon water. The garden is just looking really spectacular, and I'm enjoying the beautiful makeover. It's just looking so good, so relaxing. I can hear the birds chirping and the humming of the bees and the different creatures. Yeah, it's just a really relaxing experience. And this tastes pretty good, this lemon water. Out here in my garden with nature. pretty nice. And share this channel with a friend. Catherine's Garden or Lady Wisdom Speaks Academy on YouTube. Happy fall decorating! This is the time to sit and enjoy your harvest, enjoy the weather, and enjoy your garden because you know the leaves are going to turn color too, and that's going to add some brilliance and some joy to your life. Yes, so if you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe, yes, subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Yes, and join me again in Catherine's Garden. Also visit me at Lady Wisdom Speaks Academy YouTube as well. Have a great day. God bless. Bye. Wow, very nice. I'm really pleased with it. Place for relaxing and enjoying. Don't forget to subscribe now to Catherine's Garden. Have a great day. Bye.